for $50. You. I have been a little bit uninspired and I don't know why. Like overall I've been generally pretty good, pretty happy. Though I do think I'm realizing that it takes time to adjust to new change. I know I just made a video on that, which are all helpful things. However, low-key, I'm like, every so often it just hits me that I am like in a new place, I'm with a lot of new friends, I'm not necessarily like feeling, in some ways I'm feeling the most like myself that I've ever felt. In other ways, I just like feel very destabilizing. It's a little destabilizing, of course, moving. When I'm rolling with it, it's great, but as soon as I stop to like get inside of there, it's kind of in game over. I think a lot of it is like with work, you know, a new place, a new space, like wanting to grow, I think, but not knowing exactly what that looks like for me right now. I'm feeling very oddly maybe stagnant because so much has changed in like one area of my life, and I'm kind of figuring out how to like have the rest catch up. This little fur needs so much water. But I do feel like these ebbs and flows are just like so normal. It passes. You figure it out, you know? But today I thought we would do some nice things to help me feel like myself. I've been having a lot of fun, so like I can't discredit that. It's been really fun and nice, and like earlier clips you saw, I think I've also had so many visitors or just like people to see from out of town every single week, which is not a complaint because I think things would just be different if I hadn't had that this whole time. But it's hard to have guests like in my house when I'm still feeling kind of not super grounded in it myself. Also need to set better boundaries. I just like can't always do it in the moment. And then I realize later, I think I'm at the point with boundaries where I know I need them, I know how they exist, I know the repercussions of not setting boundaries, but I'm at the point that I can see when something's happening in front of me that I'm like, oh, I don't necessarily want to do this with my time, or this isn't good for me, whatever. Instead, I am like, yeah, this is when you might resent this situation and let it fester. And I have been double crossing myself a little bit. It would have been much better for my relationship with each and every person if I was just like, no, I actually can't do that right now. You can come from here to here, blah, blah, blah. But instead, I've been letting things run wild. I'm not mad at myself, but I just see the holes, the ways in which I could do better. Big step, I used to not even really consider like what are boundaries? Like I don't really know. That feels like one huge step for mankind, honestly. I'm going to spin class. I love her. I wish I had a little jacket, but I don't. go. Just got back from spin, did another little workout with Copilot, made a little protein smoothie, and now I'm gonna make lunch. I'm making green chef for lunch. Yeah, I'm gonna make wraps, which they look so good. I'm so excited. I'm really hungry, so let's make a little lunch. A big thank you to Green Chef for sponsoring today's video. If you don't know what Green Chef is, they are a CCOF certified organic company, and they have options for every lifestyle: keto and paleo, vegan, gluten-free, vegetarian, fast and fit, and Mediterranean. Each meal kit contains a wide variety of organic ingredients. I've been a long time user. They're always so nice to have on hand when you don't have ingredients in the fridge or you just want a quick meal. It takes all of the meal planning out of it, and they're always so good, like restaurant quality. The sauces are amazing. Their vegan and vegetarian recipes have a nice like combination of plant-based proteins and really yummy sides. I think it's such an easy way to eat vegetarian and vegan at home, especially if you're kind of dipping your toes into that lifestyle. It comes straight to your door, so you don't have the fuss of going to the grocery store, and each week that you are ordering boxes, you can choose from a handful of different recipes that are all designed by chefs. If you want to check them out, you can use my code WHEREILIVE130 to get $130 off plus free shipping on your first box. Go to greenchef.com for more details. That'll be linked in my description as well. Here, just like a little vlog, some bits and pieces of my life recently. Yeah, just still adjusting, figuring everything out, and getting my footing here, I guess, is the best way to describe it, but things have been good. Overall, happy, healthy, so blessed. But I hope you're all doing well. Sending love to you, and I will see you all in the next one.